Hello everyone, my name is Saravella and I'm from University of Diponegoro, and today I want to tell you all about how to prevent yourself from getting infected by the COVID-19 virus. The outbreak of coronavirus disease 2019, or we called it as COVID-19, has emerged as the largest global pandemic ever experienced. There are always new cases of COVID-19 patients every day in our country that cause a death toll. It remains as important as ever to stay vigilant and know how to protect yourself from coronavirus. Okay, so what can we do to keep ourselves and the others safe from the COVID-19? Okay, let me tell you. First, maintain at least a 1 meter distance between yourself and others to reduce your risk of infection when they cough, sneeze, or spit. Maintain an even greater distance between yourself and others when indoors. The further away, the better. Second, make wearing a mask a normal part of being around other people. The appropriate use, storage, and cleaning or disposal are essential to make masks as effective as possible. Okay, and also, in this COVID-19 era, we should live in a safe environment and we should make our environment safe. So, how to make your environment safe? First, avoid the 3C spaces that are closed, crowded, or involve close contact. Outbreaks have been reported in restaurants, choir practices, fitness classes, nightclubs, offices, and places of worship where people have gathered, often in crowded indoor settings where they talk loudly, shout, breathe heavily, or sing. The risk of getting COVID-19 are higher in crowded and in the quietly ventilated spaces where infected people spend long periods of time together in close proximity. These environments are where the virus appears to spread by respiratory droplets or aerosols more efficiently. So, taking precautions is even more important. Second, meet people outside. Outdoor gatherings are safer than indoor ones, particularly if indoor spaces are small and without outdoor air coming in. And third, avoid crowded or indoor settings, but if you can't, don't take precautions. So, open a window. Increase the amount of natural ventilation when indoors. Wear a mask. So, let me tell you guys. Yes, here are the basics of how to wear a mask. First, clean your hands before you put your mask on. So make sure you already wash your hands or use hand sanitizer before and after you take it off and after you touch it at any time. Second, make sure it covers both your nose, mouth, and chin. Third, when you take off a mask, store it in a clean plastic bag and every day either wash it if it's a fabric mask or dispose of a medical mask in a trash bin. Fourth, don't use masks with valves. So this is not the end yet. Don't forget the basic of good hygiene. Okay, so let me explain this. Regularly and thoroughly clean your hands with an alcohol-based hand rub or wash them with soap and water. This eliminates germs including virus that may be on your hands because we cannot see the virus in our hands, So you need to clean your hands every day with alcohol-based, okay? Okay, so second, avoid touching your eyes, nose, mouth. Hand touch many surfaces and can pick up virus. Once contaminated, hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose, or mouth. From there, the virus can enter your body and infect you. So please remember this. You must remember this because it is really important, and you cannot touch your eyes, touch your nose, touch your mouth because it will be really dangerous for you. So third, cover your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose of the used tissue immediately into a closed bin and wash your hands. By following good respiratory hygiene, you protect the people around you from viruses which cause colds, flu, and COVID-19. And fourth, clean and disinfect surfaces frequently, especially those which are regularly touched, such as door handles, faucets, and phone screens. Okay, so maybe many people confused about this. So, what do we do if we feel unwell or sick? Okay, so first, know the full range of symptoms of COVID-19. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Other symptoms that are less common and may affect some patients include loss of taste or smell, aches and pains, headache, sore throat, nasal congestion, red eyes, diarrhea, or a skin rash. If COVID-19 is spreading in your community, stay safe by taking some simple precautions such as physical distancing, wearing a mask, keeping rooms well ventilated, avoiding crowds, cleaning your hands, and coughing into a bent elbow or tissue. Check local advice where you live and work. Do it all. You and your family must be aware and safe. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening and watching my video. So I hope this will be useful to all of you watching this. And yeah, do it all and please stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.